fool. On one gasa kan won enum asem say ai na owosrem e na oye sala e na imam bia na one ne wo masala chika chen say me kohwe Kevin Taylor oba be expose the MPP for oba be yes scandal oba be kan okra na kire me imam no sa kwasiampan way ba Accra. He was worried. He wanted Asla Awusumu to shut me down. This foolish man. How can such a fool, Mr. President, be entertaining such a fool? This guy wish you never became president. And John Mahama echo GBC. For a very long time, you're president always so calm and easy and easily relatable. John Dramani Mahama actually or the governance I could do some level B. Level not the governance I could do no. You're not careful. Ebedum pempenso bi no say John Mahama and the NDC in the power, we might revolt as a nation. Yeah. For 1 year away, John Mahama de waye. And the way he's presenting himself, the way he's making governance so easy and accessible. Say you're not very careful. Now you're bumpire ma MDC antenna power. Ama John Mahama and yet also yina. Now yes, science Santa ma one shot we will revolt. Because it will be very difficult to get the characteristics and the qualities of John Mahama and appointees from the NPP. It will be very difficult. And the money dangerous and they say when we taste good governance for about 12, 16, 24 years, that's a tia cha. Say no money na say things are done right. And then John Mahama kano. When the NDC is able, so to me at the Nyoma CCA for the next 40 years, a bindful from banda a fumpe, it is easy for us to kick them out. And see, right now we are testing good governance. There is no fear. We are starting to believe we say, at least our Ghana form Ghana home. Say a mistake. That's a case of 8 years, 12 years. We might revolt because this group of political termites or more MPP, no, they don't understand what being a president, being a leader. Bawumia, he's not a man. Kennedy is not a man. And when we say somebody is not a man, and your baby sebio ne bema tietia, and I say ebia sebio ni Jimmy, it is about how they are able to look through and see through their issues. It is about how you are able to look through and see through issues. Nana Danko Ekufuado is blank when it comes to being proactive. He's very blank. Yeah? But Bajumba Nkwan the bit mama sanyansa no take effect beboye. Yenyina enim nyansa. Obi a ohwe me be enim nyansa. Obi a MPP enim nyansa. Obi a NDC enim nyansa. But the issue, the thin line between nyansani and the Bajumba no say Bajumba no tumi fa nyansa no na wadane no ama no tumi be benefit eye ono ene ne nkofo. It is not easy. John Mahama echo eye GBC. And the GBC boss Al Hassan Ekache John Mahama say we need to restructure GBC to meet the demands of the digital world. Now, this man, when he was talking to the president as the director of GBC, or making some astonishing statement to be at a point. Time on the president take us on or see. And just let's go listen to him. We are the
third issue I want to bring, and that is probably the one that gives us a lot of sleepless nights, Your Excellency, is the issue of legacy debt from ECG and NETCO. First of all, currently we have been forced to pay it, but I want to make it clear that those debts were not generated by GBC alone. In the past, when there were no difference between government agencies, the military, the police, national security all positioned their equipment on GBC locations and were drawing power from the same source as GBs. So when it came to a time to install meters, these meters were installed in the name of GBC, and they started accumulating debt with GBC. So when we brought it to their attention, these state agencies simply disconnected and found alternative source. But they had accumulated a few years of debt for GBC to pay. We've currently been paying it this year. We've paid 5 million of it. Currently, we have a standing of 13.6 million cedis. We are simply requesting and appealing that the government takes care of the legacy debt, because we are currently dealing with our current bill. We make sure that we take care of our bill. But the legacy debt is drawing us back. Now, our prayer is that if that is taken care of, it will allow GBC to expedite its action on green energy. With collaboration with the BBC, we currently have solar systems at Ajankote transmission site, and we depend 30% on solar and 70% on national grid. At Takoradi, we have also installed solar, and we are currently spending 50% on solar, 50% on national grid. And if the responsibility of the legacy debt is taken over us, we sincerely believe that we can speed up the process of using IGF to do.
So this is the director of GBC. And then someone can say, I am the director. My better GBC. And then Mr. President, a cabia net daho for light bills near the ade. Those times no na police for soldier for near the ade no mobaha no use a light nibi. Inti my cabe daho. Inti yedi it you 5 million. Inti Mr. President, a buying enhwe no muntia sai kanet daho no. This man is a man who is working for government, and he's telling government to pay data or no ebetoye. Now, you see the problem we have in Ghana, and I'm so disappointed in the president because this man should have been sacked the first day the president came to office. GBC director, no? And I know GBC workers had series of demonstrations against this daft man. This man should have been sacked long time. He's a waste of time. He's corrupt. He's a liar, a double-faced liar. And where oyerepa, with all due respect, on kanokre. Now, you see, the problem I have with these people, and I say, when they are made managers, directors, they come on board with no ideas. They don't come to inherit institutions to change the face of institutions. They don't come with any new idea. The reason why people are appointed as directors, chief directors, they are appointed as CEOs, is for you to bring a new idea to change the status of a institution, say, Banabedano. Now, if we have directors like this, who every single day they are complaining, they are crying, they see the president and tell the president, they say, Mr. President, yeah, the cat, police for DB, military for DB, no money now, Mobaha. No more you see a light in be inti ma abantua aban ben entua saka no. You are very incompetent and very ignorant to make that statement. Hey, senka some way ya papa we catch the president no. Senka America na or catch Donald Trump and that day na Donald Trump says resign. Yeah. You want the president to come to GBC to visit you before the problems at GBC can be solved? You don't deserve to be there. You don't deserve to be there. And I may just say, we entertain, and I'm so disappointed in the president and this government for keeping this man at the GBC. I think this government, they don't want to help GBC. They still want GBC to be a tiana, me assure Aban we say because Aban we were idea for the best of the boy GBC, your national television now. The people who have been there, then to me all African games for Ghana. No, these are not people who are supposed to be there. No, if you say you are resetting a nation, people like these are supposed to be fired, Mr. President. Yeah. So the resetting, no, how are we resetting? We are making changes. We are making sure that those who could not deliver, when those people are in power, they are supposed to move. Those who could not deliver, those who could not prove themselves, there are thousands of people who can take this position and turn GBC around. Now, if a president comes to sit before you and you are begging the president, Mr. President, I am a government worker. We work as a government institution. Let government pay our debtor. You are insane. You have to be sacked. And such people, they take fat salaries, incentives like I say, big houses, big cars. They are pompous, walking around and behaving as if say nobody can question them. And for a president to come to GBC for you to tell the president, say, yeah, the cat. Intima abine ntua. Abine governors kaway. GBC is supposed to generate money to take care of GBC. Now, if you have become the director of GBC and you cannot generate funds to change the GBC, then you are incompetent to fill that position as a CEO. You know something? This same man, Tamane Kufuor power no, I know for a fact he was in bed with the NPP. He was doing serious campaign with the NPP. And I'm so pissed off with this government for still keeping such a slimy liar still at GBC. GBC is not making any money. The nonsense and the audacity from this man to tell the president, say, yeah, the government should pay. Government no one wine. Government, who is government? This is GBC, the nation's television, national television. You are supposed to generate money. You need to crack your brains, foolish man. You cannot crack your brains. You cannot create any different ideas to make GBC look different, to make GBC make money. You foolishly sit there and wait for the president to come. You look in the president's face and say, I am being paid. I am taking allowance. I am flying out of the nation. I am getting all the incentives. Mr. President, pay our debt for us. Are you foolish? You are supposed to be sacked. Hey, man, way, or you're one corrupt Muslim, or you're munafiki, also nyankopon twena so asase we so. This is the same man when we were working so hard to tell Ghanaians, say, Nana Adodan Kwekufuor and Bawumia, they are corrupt. They are destroying the nation. This is the man who was making calls for my platform to be shut down. Such a fool. This fool, on one gasa kan won enum asem say ai na owosrem e na oye sala e na imam bia na onene wo masala chika chen say me kohwe Kevin Taylor because time aso Kevin Taylor ba oba be expose the MPP for oba be yes scandal oba be kan okra na kire me imam no na se ne be ye nyina betuma boa etu aban bone no sa kwasiampan we ba akra. He was worried. He wanted Asla Awusumu to shut me down. This foolish man. How can such a fool, Mr. President, be entertaining such a fool? This guy wish you never became president.
But it should have been more. We have can control it, but direct to home, outside your borders or inside your borders, but it will hit half merged. And when you are home and you are running to, now I will illustrate one example why this conversation matters. About 2 years ago, up in Tamale, after the evening prayers, I engaged the imam in the chat. Then all of a sudden he told me that, oh, it's time for Kevin Taylor. I'm running home. I said, you have Kevin Taylor on your TV? He said, yes. At that time, I could only access Kevin Taylor on the internet. I didn't know that DTH, Kevin Taylor, was entering Ghanaian homes. I went home, scanned my TV, and there it was, free to my house. I came back to Accra, scanned, it was there. And I remember sending a text message and a screenshot to a very important regulator. All he said was, wow. They commissioned the NCA to find a way to stop Kevin Taylor. They tracked him down. Kevin Taylor went to Nigeria and got a satellite company whose footprint covers Ghana, and currently he's broadcasting to Ghana. So, nowhere, you can't get him. Now, I will illustrate one example why this conversation matters. About 2 years ago, up in Tamale, after the evening prayers, I engaged the imam in the chat. Then all of a sudden he told me that, oh, it's time for Kevin Taylor. I'm running home. I said, you have Kevin Taylor on your TV? He said, yes. At that time, I could only access Kevin Taylor on the internet. I didn't know that DTH, Kevin Taylor, was entering Ghanaian homes. I went home, scanned my TV, and there it was, free to my house. I came back to Accra, scanned, it was there. And I remember sending a text message and a screenshot to a very important regulator. All he said was, wow. They commissioned the NCA to find a way to stop Kevin Taylor. They tracked him down. Kevin Taylor went to Nigeria and got a satellite company whose footprint covers Ghana, and currently he's broadcasting to Ghana. So, nowhere, you can't get him.
This man, that is what he was doing. What was Kevin Taylor doing? Kevin Taylor was exposing the NPP government. This idiot took it upon himself, offered Asla Owusu, and told Asla to shut me down. To get my license to just operate, I spent over $20,000. I was paying $5,000 a month, and I'm still paying to be on multi-TV. I spent $20,000 just to get a license to come and tell Ghanaians that this is what is happening to Ghana. Kwasi Ampenyi came to Accra. He called Osla. Nipana will say he called an operator. He called Osla Owusu. Offer Osla Owusu and you bring Osla Owusu say Osla Owusu should find every means to find how I got into Ghana. This man, Kwasi Awi, today is standing before John Mahama and telling John Mahama, you know what? We want government to pay our debt. John Mahama, please, with all respect, sack this fool. These are some of the northerners that you're not supposed to allow around you. Whoever is lobbying for this fool, you need to sack this guy. Ultimately, for anything, Embra GBC. Even your manifesto launch, this guy instructed them not to cover your manifesto launch. This fool. Kwasi Ampenyi today, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo was president for 8 years. This man could not look in his eyes to tell him the problems of GBC. And we allow these fools. They draw so much money, big salaries, stupid idiots, and then we give them chance. Because they were benefiting from it. All African games, this foolish man. Don't entertain such a fool in your face. Make somebody who is competent enough to make sure honorable to me the Najine Etia GBC Dahono to come and lead GBC. Get somebody who can crack his brains and become the CEO who is innovative enough to create means to pay GBC debt off and also rebrand GBC to become a better national television. Onye bibiano to Kwasi Ampenyi. Kwasi Ampenyi ofa phone offer Osla say on cancel me. I was working to get the NDC to power for Kwasi to sell. And sometimes people sit there and say, who did the attempt? Do you know what we have gone through to get here? We put everything on the line for Kwasi Afo to say, today they are still taking salary. Kwasi man, oh. And you see, when I get angry, there are so many things I don't say on my show. And I'm very disappointed in this government for still keeping this fool at GBC. I'm disappointed. Very, very disappointed. Because more and when your position in our NDC, more and they're from CEOs, you're from ministers, it was because of people like us and those who work so hard to get you power. Now, no preventing people from getting power, no, and the mobile and these are fools who are not supposed to be taking any positions. I'll come back to his matter. Until this man is sacked, I'm not done with GBC. Me say, until this man is sacked. And it's not like Obi Hetino, this man is not intelligent enough to be the CEO of the director of GBC. I don't know record GBC. Yet Ghana, all African games go into Shebi, Kwasi Ampenyi. Yet African Cup of Nations, Yentumin Shebi, Kwasi Ampenyi. Yet Ghana, local things go into Minkawa, or free. The Bena Opea Kemuda, a dirty man. Muna Fiki. Kwasi Afutuo. I'm telling you people, I've lost a lot of money to get to this point. I've lost a lot. Masa me bosika, maseno, mashe to get the NDC to power. You'll be shocked. Me bosika, mashe. Say, me bosika, mashe in my life. The money I have wasted, spent, money I could have used for my family. To me, it is sustaining a production to get NDC back to power. Me catch your best shock you. Now, NDC are buying. The Ministry of Food and Agriculture has begun distributing poultry in the Ashanti region under the Nkokon Ketenkete initiative of the Feed Ghana program, aimed at boosting local poultry production, reducing imports, and strengthening food security. National Coordinator Bright Kwajo Demozi says the rollout will support the poultry value chain, create jobs, and improve livelihoods, particularly for youth and women in agribusiness. The NDC government and the Menoka say, almost started in Nkokon Ketenkete, ye che Nkoko wa santimemu. Odiatina and then who say Obuasi West MP Kweku Kwatin when you throat cancer and chobewu. Obuasi West MP Kweku Kwatin when you throat cancer watch out 2 years ebekuno Obuasi West MP mekani biem sa akwa no me dwan che bibi mekai say me starting me production 2018 oshada koye video e wo Obuasi sa video no mahwehwa be hu me bi afa oye video that time I was criticizing him na one Obuasi MC akwaba akuna na wo ho ne frɛ no get me the name Jimmy bi na sa Jimmy no odeti ni nua ba adanse bona thank you na Kweku Kwatin the MP no na konta na ye Obuasi MC na internally generated fund no na konta no edi na Kweku Kwatin nua ba no na okira de wo Obuasi Catholic Senior High School na ne nua ba no eye galamsey Obuasi na Kweku Kwatin onie me obi amefo obi ahon chene ne mama charge akwawe Obuasi West MP ni wenya throat cancer obewu 2 years time throat cancer ni beku no aboa akwawe in 2018 eko Obuasi na o ma small boys bi e de camera scene so na o ka kire nkofo say wate Kevin Taylor bi na no de o tie na Kevin Taylor no o ware jantre ni kwase awe o onfiri Buasi o MPP omo Obuasi ye Jimmy ntini ekosa kwase awe de ba Obuasi be di MP Obuasi West ofa koto emma akronim TV post 3 na we see no the post abon kwase awe. Sometimes when you people you hear me go after people and your personal it is because they have deliberately decided oma ya ade bia make sure mo say me remfie kwase awe koye video wo Obuasi. It was on one of my hard drives. I can't find it. I'll find it. Or your video say what is the Kevin Taylor no Obuasi ni na no de what is the Kevin Taylor ne ka Obuasi MC 170 ni nuaba na de tie kwambo say mo nkofo fi na me yire jantre ni bi na makọ na abocham say hey until so be wu asase we so me na wo Kweku Kwatin aboa when you throat cancer and me try am throat cancer ne ku no yes 2 years obewu aboa Asamoah bi na no kan ye no it is sometimes when people hear me go after somebody and I'm just say it is because I know me one become here me count that. That's how I over to my social media no so ne nyoma no me if I pick up something with me pick it with somebody there's a reason akwa we ade oye no it's where there a personal me meka kire Kweku Kwatin obi kuta sika kwa de wona meka say a personal kwasia and then when you me see me betu so obi kuta sika de woni tirim meka say yes, nipa na be make it on one decision. Akwawe, me chiri me meaning ni chen obi a Ghana. Kweku Kwatin. Me ka bibia. Me mfa to tell. I hate him and I despise him. And I want him to die. Me pese cancer ni kuno. Yes. Kwasia obedi to me no omunipa. Obeye Oforiata deputy. Omo pamon sa akoko. And the TV so abandon 24-hour economy rhetoric immediately and focus on growing business. Yeah, chen koko e wa Ashanti region kwasia ko ne kwaji bi mabo asefom mbebunu nya adwuma. Kwasia to go to Ashanti region. Otin kran na or ne jantra for the wia na ne throat cancer ne num bon. Se ne minima pro abuofunu e na one jantra for that one kran. Weja Obuasi na to onko Buasi o almost in a year, no amount 50 Ghana, some of Uncle Yemano, or Mubu as a four. Ote, I cry, cast a 24-hour economy, no, and this for the Oma Noah, and no more concentrated our growing businesses. Obuasi, and the Ashanti region, ye chen kukon kitty. For Kwasia Kwaji biko Buasi. There were so many young people, Obuasia, Omunya kukon kitty omobeye. What the wotong, nanka titi, en crying. When num crow, or free. Me say Kweku Kwatin throat cancer ne be kun e was say kun in 2 years I was say sionia sre ya num bia ne hwegu e de wadaka so aboa na just say easy me yere jantre ni me kire say me mabodam ewiwe ne wo fin mon kan kire ne say and the NDC aban no chen kokko e wa Ashanti region na san kokko na omo che no ye pese de boa mmebunu no no mo so enya adwuma ye enti onfo ne kwasia mfiri nkran na onko hu eyedien omo chen kokon na Greek ministry no mo fa bi nko boase na boase ye wo mabunu bebre wo ho a omo pese omo ye poultry farm na se enya nkokọ eye boasefo mabunu 10,000 no mu nyina eye poultry farmer unim adwuma be create oboase aboa wenum kuro wenum kankan throat cancer e be kun wo me se wo me beto se obi de sika wo utirima mema no thumbs up wo ana modwen se munya tumi a na eno ano no meboa enti monka nkire no ene NDC aban aka oboase Ashanti region ya start che nkokọ enti wa wo hia nkokọ ni bi no kwaje wa wo pe nkokọ ni bi anyan no kọ ne kwaje go and fill the forms and get nkokọ ne konyan na nkokọ de acha 3 months nkokọ 10 a ombeda ne 30 saa na nkokọ te enti monka nkire oboase West MP ni Sir Kevin Taylor say on for the question ni throat cancer in free crime no mra boase na ombeje list ombra oboase na ombeje list na on for sa list ni nko a Greek ministry no nkwaje nko confirmra odwan antreni ba.
Look, the MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas.
Upon us with mercy. So those of us who have common sense and are on social media and are writing, why is the president giving 25 million and this and that and talking plenty and the cathedral is going to cost you to lose elections? No one will lose elections before because he built a cathedral. We will see in this country. We will see it that no one is going to lose election because he dedicated a prime land for God. Judges were living in that place. Ridge is one of the choicest lands in this country. And they said, take the judges out and put the temple of Jehovah here. That's what Solomon did. Now, because David obeyed and he created a temple through his son Solomon, can you imagine Jerusalem, 5,000 years after the fact, they still call Jerusalem the city of David.
Oye jantre ni che obiya wo Ghana. Paul Ademochire. Mom bebunu na mosi so young people in Ghana na. Mo sorry and I wait there. Paul Ademochire open one of the filthiest, dirty human beings. Paul Ademochire. Oka sanse wo nyina no na sebio one wakoji obi yire ene na wasa threaten no Paul Ademochire. Na yire ne na waji mintira kakra because ono so no negatives ne doso because of Exim Bank former CEO no de ono ne ye eti ontumi nkasa ajantra fo mienu Paul Ademochire and the cathedral and the dien no wieska Paul Ademochire now we Christo di na akwa we such a filthy disease, no credibility, everything about him is a curse. And also I don't oversized shirt was starting hono na onim de ebeto no was starting hono so on a click no me say this year is going to be a difficult year for you people was starting hono also no share extra large me say o skinny ni nyina obeton skinny shirt ni skinny jeans ni nyina Paul unhu bibi da me say o de ma menye din na Jimmy way and the cathedral they were justifying $52 million thrown in the gutters. This is how they were doing it. And remember, they were doing it with the scriptures. Kwasi afuo ko hu one quotation na no mo de da mo. Masa, me, let me tell you, I don't take my spiritual life for granted. I don't. And I wouldn't also want you to take your spiritual life for granted. But you should not allow anybody to use what we call spirituality, religion, to lead you astray. Which Jimmy, so our spiritual life, no, you will lose, you will perish. It don't just see it as media Hey, where can Bible nti, where can Quran nti? You need to also sit and look at things very well. 90% of the people are kuta Bible, Bible quotation on TV. So they don't even believe in it. Sometimes sit down and reflect. And yet they be an quotation. Sit down and reflect.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahen, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas.